Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice iconic silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, the tow and haul package, bed utility package, and the XLT black appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera of course, mud flaps on the rear. We also have a nice gripped running board, side view camera, as well as blind spot detection, and a nice turn light indicator mirror. We do have a nice hood deflector, license plate bracket, there's a block heater in there, front park sensing, 2 tow hooks, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We do have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space with a B&O sound system. We got 2 cup holders up front, 12 volt, 2 USB-Cs, and 120 just right there. And of course, if you need more space, you can always lift up the seats as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats. We do have that nice black leather interior, plenty of door space. You have your parking brake, pedal adjusters, lights, blind spot, and tailgate opener just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 9.9 kilometers. We do have a nice leather wrap steering wheel. You have your toggle free menu, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control just right there. Looking at your main screen here, you have your main menu, my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Continue your look here, you got a leather wrap gear shift. We also have our speed adjuster, as well as it's also collapsible. Nice little storage there, cup holders, nice leather wrap center console. That does flip out to be a nice little work surface, and does flip up this way for a ton of storage with 2 USB-Cs down there. You have your drive modes, rear lock and differential, 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, and pro trailer backup. We also have heated seats, dual climate at 12 volt, 120. Clicking this, you do get storage there and down under, as well as storage on the above dash, auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park assist, hazards, and traction. And above me, we do get a nice rear window opener, which is pretty handy. And looking at our main screen here, you do have your audio, which has Sirius XM capabilities, phone, navigation, your fave app, which you can select from here, messaging, email, Wi-Fi, so on and so forth, your apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded, such as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You have your settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB01715, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.